you can do to help stop leaking water. Okay, if it's dripping like that constantly, this is one way to help. You want to have two tools with you. One is a flat and the other one is a wrench. Okay, first off, you want to try to get that little cap off. The way to do it is take a pin or a sharp knife and just pry it open. And since we have a minus here, or a flat, you can take a screwdriver and remove that screw. I loosened it a little bit so you can see. I can take it off. And now let's remove the top. And you want to remove this part right here. So what I'm going to do is take a wrench, fit that. Hold on. So I got it loose, and this is what you're going to look at. So you see it has a crack. Let's see. You see that it has a little crack, or it's not working properly. That's probably why. Or the seal's not right. If you see dirt, that's probably another reason. You want to get one of these. Can't focus right. Okay, there we go. So once you get a brand new one of these, it'll be relatively new. This is a second-hand one, so you can just put it inside. So I want you to tighten it up. You want to tighten it pretty good, snug. Make sure the water doesn't leak. If you don't tighten, you know the water's going to leak from probably around here.